How to connect broker to MetaTrader 5. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily connect any broker to your MetaTrader 5 account. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's begin. First thing that you need to do is open up your MetaTrader and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now from here, you just want to tap on the codes option and tap on the three dots. From here, if you have already logged in, you will see an option that says manage account. You just tap on it. Now in my case, I'm just going to tap on add trading account and it will directly take me to the brokers option. Here you can just search for your particular broker. I'm just going to search for Exness here. And once you search for your broker and found it, you can just tap on it. Now, if you already have an account, you can directly create a login info. But if you don't have an account, you can tap on open a real account. So from here, just tap on next and enter all of these details: your first name, second name, your middle name. It is optional. You can select your date of birth, your phone number, and your email. So once you do all of this, tap on next and your new account will be created, and use those login info right here to log into your account, and your broker will be added to your account. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.